Talking about okay, I just want to say about the PS6. This PS6 anyway, very expensive, $1,000. Price tag looms. Let me I want to read it. A new production timeline leak point to a fall of 2027. The PS6 launch while Sony CEO Hideki Nishino hint the hybrid functionally and warns against expecting a budget price tag. Wow! So, the PS6 might launch by 2027. I'm telling you, I was telling the truth I said the PS6 will be released. But I hope it will be launched very soon before I get my PS5. Because if I go to Japan again, I will buy PS5. But very soon, I will buy PS5. Unlike Eskel Penumbra, unlike JD Biniegas, unlike Ronald Rebena, unlike who among PS5, Franco Morales and Manuel Luis Antonio. Shout out, they have PS5. Even everyone have PS5 too. I'm so very excited part that will get PS5. Me, I first time I play PS5. It sounds like a PS4. My parents but before my parents buy aircon, I always play PS5. Very amazing game. When I was in Abidson, I played a PS5. Very amazing game, but for me, I will buy PS5 in Japan maybe next year. Not this year, very expensive right now. Just wait for PS6. I was told by JD Biniegas and Franco Morales, very expensive. Do you remember Teacher May's nephew, Rafael Tiburcio has a PS5? Yes, he has PS5. That was his graduation in Ateneo. And mostly, Jetro Lopez has a PS5. That was a friend of Franco Morales. Just wait for PS5. You know, there's lots of PS5 anyway. Everyone, but me, I don't have. But just wait for PS6. Like Franco Morales said to me, when he said in Tagalog words, antayin nyo na lang ang PS6. So, bago bilhin ang PS5. So, hantayin lang, like I said. Just learn how to wait. Because, you know, first time I play PS5, when I wait there, when my parents buying aircon, I play PS5 in Abenson in SM North. Oh, I always play PS5. So take a look, guys. The PS6 could be a hybrid console. $1,000. That means very expensive. If you remember, in the Philippines, 2,300 pesos, it will be expensive. It means in Filipino word, sobrang mahal ang PS6 kaysa sa PS5. So there will be expensive. But as of right now, in current incumbent, the PS5 very still expensive. Just wait for PS6. Because I remember Teacher Kel, husband, Eskel Penumbra, he has PS5. He got it in US. He always play PS5 video games. I said to Eskel Penumbra, what did you play PS5 games? He said to me, Need for Speed. Need for Speed, what is that? Unbound. So, Eskel Penumbra is a car enthusiast. He's just like me. He's just like Juan Carlo Pabale. So, for me, just wait for PS6 before you buy PS5. Just remember, as I'm saying, just wait for PS6 or PS5. But I said, just wait for PS6. I told to Bill Galang, Bill, if you're watching this, you have to wait for PS6 before you buy PS5. Antayin nyo na lang ang PS6. Like I said to Bill Galang, sobra kasing mahal ang PS5. Mahal. Like I said, when I was heard that from Roydan Marlang and Matthew C., they said to me, sobrang kasing mahal ang PS5. Of course, sobrang mahal. But I will not sell the PS4. My PS5 anyway, I can put it in downstairs. At least I have a smart TV, I have TLC, my dad bought a smart TV. We can put it, there's no space anyway. So we can put it downstairs. So maybe soon, I will get PS5. Because I always talk about video games. What games I will get PS5 by next year? Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and also that Forza Horizon. Yes, I will get that by next year. But not this year, because very expensive. Sobrang mahal ang PS5. So my parents said to me, just wait for PS6. So just wait. My mom said to me, just wait for PS6. Huwag ka na bumili ng PS5, she said to me, because it's very expensive. I understand by my mom. I never insist. Just like Shania Kiana, she insists Lily to be an adoptive daughter of Jerick Silva, even his girlfriend. That's what's never can be happen. So for me, I never say I insist my mom to buy PS5. But just wait for PS6. That's the reason. I heard that from Teacher Joy. PS4 that was released 2013. I was heard that from Roydan Marlang, PS5 that was released in 2020. Now I'm the one who said that the PS6 might be released very soon, by next year, in the fall of 2027. So that was my content blog. And I hope Miggy Labitag will get PS5 very soon. I said, Miggy Labitag, if you're my nephew, you can join with me to buy PS5. At least Miggy Labitag is a gamer. And he's just like JD Biniegas. He's just like Chris Soreta. He's just like Eskel Penumbra. And he's like a good gamer, Miggy Labitag, my nephew. Because I ever seen that Miggy Labitag was in Condon Stellar Place doing gym. I ever seen that guy and he never say hi. I mean, I always talk to Miggy Labitag. Did you play basketball outside? Did you go swimming? Do you do airsoft shooting? He doesn't talk too much. Like me, I always talk too much. Like I remember Yumi Makalintal. That was a daughter of Kuya Jojo. I always talk to her. And we just have bonding at always. So, just for me, I just want to say to everyone, just wait for PS6. It might be released very soon.